Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as a systematic review of predicting elections based on social media data, which is an IEEE 2021 paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So basically in this project the authors have made a reviews of many kinds of techniques that are used for predicting the election results based on the social media data. And kindly note that in this paper the authors have considered many social media data such as Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, etc. But in our implementation technique we have taken a data set which consists of Twitter data sets only, which is considered during the US election, and also it is taken from Kaggle. And this paper is a review paper, so they would have not mentioned about any one technique. They have mentioned about various kinds of technique and analysis was made on it. In our implementation we will be implementing using passive aggressive classifier algorithm. So now let us go to the execution. So first go to the command prompt. Now copy the source code location. Now you can see the URL. Just copy the URL, go to your browser and paste the URL, and now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title. So in this project we have used the dataset analysis and also using creating a local Twitter kind of environment, and we can post tweets and we can able to predict the results from it. So for that purpose we have used MySQL database. So first we will attach the database. So go to MySQL administrator and go to restore option, select open backup file, go to the project location and in that go to the database folder and select the database and click start restore. Now the restoration operation is finished and click close. Now you can close the MySQL administrator. Coming back to the browser, you can see the home screen. Here you can see options of uploading and admin. First thing is like we wanted to upload the data set and train the system. So first let us go to upload option. Now in the upload option you can see the browse button. Just click the browse button and go to the project source code location where you can see the data set is available in it. So select the upload.csv file and click upload button. So once after clicking the upload button, you can preview the data set that we have uploaded. Here you can see the ID and the tweets made. So you can just scroll down. You can see the tweets that is made related to the US elections. And you can see the dataset record is around 1811, and at the end you can see a click to train button. Just click it. And after a few seconds you can see the training is finished message and click OK. Now it will be navigated to the chart part. So this chart part is a static chart which consists of the tweets made by the candidates, that is Joe Biden and the Donald Trump, which consists of positive tweets and negative tweets. So here you can see Joe Biden positive tweets is around 34.6%, and here you can see Joe Biden negative tweet is consists of 15.4%, and here you can see Donald Trump negative tweets around 23.1 and positive tweet around 26.9%. And now let us see regarding the localhost part. So first thing is like as I'm a new user, I don't have the login username and password. So for the purpose, I'll go to the registration part. So in the registration part, you can enter the username. Let me enter username called JP, and let me enter email ID and also password as JP, and click submit. But here you can see the registration is not done, it is been validated. So validation gives a message called password should contain at least one number, one lowercase character, on one uppercase character, one special symbol, and must be between 6 to 10 characters long. So it is not registered. So let me create according to the validation. JP is the username, the email ID. Let me create password called capital JP at symbol and 1 2 3, and now let me click submit. And now you can see it is being navigated to the login part. It means registration is done successfully. Now let me enter the username and the password that I have created during the registration, and click login. And once the login is successful, you can see you can post the tweet. And for easier purpose, we have made two radio buttons where you can select only one to make a tweet. So let me click Joe Biden. So once if I click Joe Biden, automatically it makes the symbol at and the Joe Biden name. So in case if I click Donald Trump, it automatically makes the symbol at symbol and the Donald Trump for mentioning their names. So this radio button is made for the easier purpose for automatically making the mentioning the names. In case if this is not available, some people will not give the correct spelling, or they may be giving some other names, so that will be not predicting correctly. So for that purpose we have made this one. So it will make this text button. Once if you click this radio button, this text area, this names will be represented. So now let me click this and type some content. So let me post some content and click submit. And in the timeline you can see who are all the people, the localhost who made this tweets will be shown here. So let me log out from this part. Now let me go to the admin part. So in the admin part, you can log in with the static username and password admin and click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the user details where you can see who are all the users available. Currently there are 3 users available, and the tweet details, you can see the tweets made and what is the prediction result of it. So now let us see the tweet made by me, that is Joe Biden will be winning in USA, and here you can see the party's name, that is Joe Biden is being extracted, and here you can see the predicted result is positive. Now here you can see the positive and negative chart. So let me go to positive chart. So now you can see the positive Joe Biden is positive will be 2, and in negative part you can see Donald Trump is 1, and this is a dynamic chart which varies according to the tweets made. So now let me make some negative tweet and let me check it out. So now in the login part, let me enter details of username and password of my user details and click login. And now let me post some tweet. So now let me post this tweet and click submit. And in the timeline you can see the tweet made by me, and let me log out and go to the admin part for the prediction. And in the tweet details you can see the tweet that is made by me, and now you can see the prediction result is negative. And let me go to the negative chart now. Earlier it was 1 rating given, and now you can see the chart is increased to 2. So according to the user votes, here you can see the prediction results of it. Positive and negative chart has been updated, which is a dynamic one. And this is all about a systematic review of predicting election results based on social media data. And thank you for watching.